You guys have been asking for this since a very long time, right? Here it is. How to install BIP OS on the Amazfit BIP Smartwatch, coming right up. Also, Happy New Year everyone. I know this is only the second video and it's already mid-Feb, but let's begin. Before installation, you need to know a few things. You cannot use BIP OS and the official Amazfit app or the MiFit app because it will override the custom firmware. There are modded Amazfit apps that prevent that. I recommend using the app I'll show in the video, and don't worry, none of the features present on the official firmwares are absent on the BIP OS. It's safe and stable to install. To begin the procedure, you'll first have to connect the watch to MiFit and make it discoverable in the settings. Now you need to unpair the device. Now you can check in your Bluetooth settings if your watch is discoverable. Now you'll need to download an app called GadgetBridge. It's linked in the description. Just open the web page and scroll down till you find the download APK button and download the file. You can also find this app in the F-Droid store. After installation, open the app. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are turned on, and also grant all the necessary permissions to the app. Now connect it to your Amazfit BIP Smartwatch. The GadgetBridge app is actually an alternative to MiFit and Amazfit app and is great in terms of privacy. It does not connect to any MI account and does not store your data anywhere else but locally. After your device is connected and you have done your setup, you can now move over to the second link in the description where I've given the zip file for BIP OS. Unzip the file and you'll find 3 other files that have extensions of firmware, font and resource. Just open these files in this order using the GadgetBridge app. Install the firmware file first. At this point, your watch will restart and you'll have to reconnect it to GadgetBridge. Now install the font file with the extension .ft. Now for the resource file. And there you go. That's how we install BIP OS on your Amazfit BIP. Also, I should mention that this is only for the Amazfit BIP watch, not the Amazfit BIP Lite and the Amazfit BIP S and BIP U and others. Some BIP OS features will not work out of the box, so you need to enable them from the GadgetBridge settings. If you are still watching, consider subscribing to my channel. The red button down below, just hit it. Thank you for watching.